Research shouldn't mean juggling multiple tools, manually uploading files, and wasting hours on repetitive tasks. What if your research assistant could access everything you need and do the heavy lifting for you? SciSpace Agent now searches your library PDFs directly, keeping your work private and organized. It connects to Zotero and Google Drive automatically, no more manual uploads. It generates detailed research reports instantly with report writing sub-agent and saves all outputs with citations straight to your notebook. Let's dive in and see how these features work.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, please access the link provided in the video description to visit the official SciSpace website. SciSpace is fundamentally an academic research tool designed to assist researchers with various tasks, ranging from generating literature reviews and scientific posters to creating charts and much more. Today, we will discuss 4 major updates that have been recently launched on the platform. The first update is the library search functionality within the SciSpace agent. This feature allows you to ask the agent to conduct analyses or extract key insights from PDFs uploaded to your library. If you're already a SciSpace user, you're likely familiar with the My Library feature, where you can upload your papers, connect your Zotero account, and import your research documents. Additionally, you can create shared libraries to invite team members or project collaborators, enabling you to interact and conduct collaborative literature reviews together. With the new Library Search update, you can simply upload all your papers to My Library, perhaps organizing them into separate folders for better management. Once your papers are uploaded, you can run any query. For example, you can ask the agent, summarize the academic paper titled Insert Title. In my case, the paper focuses on recent developments in using digital technology in mathematics education. After entering the prompt to summarize it from My Library, the agent begins processing your request. Once you hit Enter, the agent initiates the analysis and provides you with a comprehensive summary of the paper. If you need to extract specific insights, such as key methodologies, conclusions, or any other information, you can simply ask the agent to do so. However, it's important to specify that the analysis should be conducted by referring to the papers present in your library. Once your prompt is clear, the agent will begin its work. It locates your paper, conducts the analysis, and extracts the insights as requested. For instance, you can see the research objectives and questions that have been identified, followed by detailed findings. All the information extracted comes directly from the paper existing in your library. In this way, you can effectively use the library search feature to extract key information from academic papers stored in your personal library. The second major update to SciSpace is the Zotero integration feature within the agent. SciSpace Agent now supports direct integration with Zotero, meaning you can connect your Zotero account to access and interact with your academic papers seamlessly. In future upgrades, you'll be able to see integrations with additional tools such as Notion, Slack, GitHub, and more. To integrate Zotero, click on the Integration option and you will see the available connections. As you can see, I have a Zotero account where I have uploaded various academic papers. I will now connect this account to SciSpace by clicking on the Connect button. Once you click Connect, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. After selecting the appropriate option, your Zotero account will be connected automatically. Now that your Zotero account is connected, you can begin querying your papers directly through the SciSpace agent. For example, let's suppose I have an academic paper in my Zotero account titled Technology in Mathematics Education, Preparing Teachers for the Future. Once I input the title and submit the query, the agent begins processing the request. Within moments, you can see the extracted information, including the main objectives and research questions, key findings and conclusions, main themes and topics covered, future directions suggested by the authors. All of this information has been extracted directly from the academic paper stored in my Zotero account. In essence, you can now integrate your Zotero account with SciSpace and extract key information from your academic papers by following this simple process. This integration streamlines your research workflow and allows for more efficient literature analysis. The third major update introduces an automated report writing subagent that significantly enhances SciSpace's capabilities. For more comprehensive queries or prompts, SciSpace automatically invokes this report writing subagent, which generates detailed, structured research reports. This feature is especially useful for literature reviews, research summaries, and long-form academic tasks. You can run any prompt that requires report generation in the output, and the system will automatically invoke the report writing subagent to create an in-depth report for you. For instance, I asked the agent to conduct a literature review on the impact of mathematics education on child's brain development. I explicitly mentioned that the agent should create a report on this topic. It's important to note, if you want a comprehensive report generated, you must specify this in your prompt. Once you input your prompt and hit enter, the agent begins processing your request. After the process is complete, you will receive a comprehensive report on your area of interest. The report begins with an executive summary, followed by an introduction, and continues with detailed sections covering various aspects of the topic. As you can see, this is a quite comprehensive report that has been generated within just a few seconds. The report concludes with a conclusion section followed by a complete reference list. In this way, you can generate professional, structured research reports using SciSpace's automated report writing feature, a powerful third major update that has been recently added to the platform. Last but not least, the fourth update introduces a powerful feature that allows you to save all outputs as Markdown.md files, along with citations, directly from the agent conversations to your notebook. This makes it easy to store key insights and refer to or revisit them later as your research progresses. Suppose I have run a query about possible causes of brain cancer in children. As you can see, the agent has completed the process and provided comprehensive information on possible causes. Various factors and research findings have been discussed in detail. You'll notice that the file is in Markdown.md format. Just next to the output, you can see an option labeled Save to Notebook. Click on it and the system will ask you whether you want to save it to an existing notebook or create a new one. Select your preference and the file will be saved. As you can see, the output has now been added to my notebook. To access your saved files, simply go to the home page and click on My Notebook. Here, you can see that the entire Markdown file has been saved in your notebook, which you can access later whenever you need it. In this way, you can easily add any notes or files to your notebook for future reference and organization. These are the four major updates that have been recently released by SciSpace: library search, extract insights from papers in your library, Zotero integration, connect and interact with your Zotero account, automated report writing, generate comprehensive research reports, save to notebook, store outputs with citations in Markdown format. These essential features help researchers expedite their academic work and streamline their research workflow. Use the link in the description along with the coupon code to get a discount on both annual and monthly plans. Try SciSpace for yourself and share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and research tool tutorials.